Subscribe to Zerba-Ne TV.
Hello friends, this is Stephen Garba, the Plants Ambassador. Today I am to promote what I call Africa, the land that heals, and healthy by nature. You must be in good health naturally. Today I want to talk about scent leaf, the healing wonders of scent leaf, or Ocimum gratissimum. Ocimum gratissimum. This is a wonderful herb that is part and parcel of Africans for so many years. Ethnomedical uses are common when it comes to Africans. It is good for a lot of conditions. Africans use it to cleanse their colon, okay? They use it to treat piles. Africans of old use it to treat asthma, cough, cold, many more. I'll give you a lot when it comes to scent leaf, okay? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Zerba-Ne TV. Type Zerba-Ne, then you add the TV. And when you subscribe, like and share this video, a lot of friends will have the chance of watching this video, okay? Facebook, Zerba-Ne Natural Products Official. On Instagram, Zerba-Ne 5. On TikTok, Zerba-Ne 5, okay? Let's go into details. Do you know that Ocimum gratissimum is good in helping control when it comes to the proliferation of bacteria, okay? When it comes to bacterial infections like typhoid, stomach ulcer, the H. pylori, okay, that causes stomach ulcer. This herb can treat it once and for all, okay? This herb can control or treat fever, okay? Typhoid, fever, stomach ulcer. It can treat piles, okay? It can treat a lot of conditions. When I say piles, I mean hemorrhoids, bleeding piles. It is effective when it comes to rheumatism. When you are battling with rheumatism, this herb can do a good job for you, okay? Africa is the land that heals. Believe in the healthy by nature concept. This is Stephen Garba. Let me tell you, this herb can help cleanse your colon. It can help cleanse the colon. When you look at this herb, grinding it with a little bit of ginger and warm water, and using a string and using it to, or you can even take it orally, okay? Take it inside. It will help cleanse your colon. That is wonderful. Africans of old were using this herb to cleanse their colon by practicing what we call enema, okay? It can also help handle headache. When it comes to headache, severe headache or migraine, this herb tea can solve that problem once and for all. Other aspect of this herb is that it can treat stroke, paralysis, okay? If you get black pepper, grinding black pepper with Ocimum gratissimum or scent leaf and rubbing on the entire body, those who find it difficult to walk because of stroke, it will help revive and improve blood circulation, the nerves, and all the important organs within the system will revive, and a stroke patient will be in good health. That is scent leaf for you. Scent leaf is effective against candidiasis. Look, when we are talking of STDs, UTIs, and all that, look, or venereal diseases in general, this herb is very wonderful. Combining it to other herbs can treat gonorrhea, syphilis, okay, sexually transmitted diseases, the UTI, like I mentioned earlier, or candidiasis if you are a lady, okay? This herb is very, very blessed. It's blessed, and that is why I say Africa is the land that heals, okay? As an African, wherever you are watching this video, or you are an American, a European, a Chinese, an Indian, you have to understand the fact that Africans are blessed. Africa is the land that heals, okay? Now, when you have this herb with you, it can help revive the entire body system because of the anti-inflammatory as well as the analgesic property found in this herb. Let me tell you that those of you within Ghana, the Akans, I would like to speak in P. But before I go there, I will remind you once again that go to YouTube, subscribe to Zerba-Ne TV. The name is Zerba-Ne, okay? Zerba-Ne. Then you add the TV, subscribe, like and share this video. A lot of people will thank you for sharing this video. Okay, now mwakamfo amonhwe me mwakoa Steven Garba ena menemo kasei media me say me the plants ambassador me obi a mebo dawuro se oba de mu niema no a atwa ho ahia no titiru abibifo yamwa ne yambo ho ban yankura ne yie na akirima nso anya so mfaso muti ase aha se woni me ya adwene dia ene enne me ne wo ba be che ade sononko na ansa na no me se ko YouTube me channel din di Zerba-Ne. Okay, wotro Zerba now the dash asha no ho now the NE asoso now the TV na asoso now ye Zerba-Ne TV now wo subscribe here and now like it now share pe abiri bia de video foforo ba betumu no obanya kwan na wanya bia den ahwe na me kai wo se nunum hwasem na me na wo ba beka nunum unim se nunum betima bo obrebo unim se nunum betima bo wona wo stroke unim se nunum betima bo wona o typhoid anasa wo yem how ana yem kuro unim se nunum ebetima sasa yare ni nyina ene me na wo ba beche to wase na hwe video ni ye papa ene afoforo nche na eba ne sa nyankopon be hyiraw maka se abibiman asase no esayade yenubuna esayade ahaban esayade enuama esayade ye dotie mpo ode wona sisi efom kura abibiman mu a esayade. Africa is the land that heals. Mamenka obi say nunum ewo hoi no wo hata ne dem na ewo a na odi twati a mamenka obi meka ti a enkofa se kire ne merike bia ngum ti no pa nsuo a aye hikakra na sa nunum ya wa hata yi no wo hata ma ne wo a na wonya bi na wo de tu nsuo no mu a na ebamu a na ono mu a eyema typhoid eyema malaria eyema fever eyem kuro nso etimisa papa titru sa wo de fra anansedoko no na ononom de a ade aye koko anase koko a like apai na untini ni bi ho atwa na moja no etefa ho no sa wonya sa nunum yi na wo de fra anansedoko no ana otie ana mahogany na wonoa na ononom a eboa ema ohoto nunum ya adukese ekum kuro ekum yem kuro nunum ku yem kuro mesi hatane dem na enwo na faye tea anase noa ne noa no so enoa ma ne nche bebre abro so 2 to 5 minutes na ayeye na wasone so na ononom hyehyehye betimi de lemon kakran so ayede aka ho na ononom we a ade aye typhoid fever stomach ulcer anase piles ana koko etetewa ebe kokora afenso ujonku anase wo joint no eye wo ya wo bati wo kotodwe wo nan kukurumu ene baabia wo te ya obia no se wo ta de nunum atwati enom de a eboa ema honam eye dendenden maka se eye pa se wo de besa wonya nunum na wotwi ne bo so na wo de nsu kakra na kakadu kakra de fam na wo ya wesa bi anase bi a mokokitu bi meso ne bi na wo de tum na wo de sa ema yefunu no da ho ema wotimi di aduane ankasa ma wanum so toso ema yefunu no so aneje ema yefunu no mu da ho ema yare anase mowa omye bad bacteria sa ombetimi de yare abrewo no sa wo de nunum atwati nom de a ema sa mowa ni nyina ede ewu ana omo free o system no mu mamenka obi o sa wona wo stroke nso so sa wonya nunum na wo yam no bo so na wo de ayesoro wisa kakra eka ho a na wo de twini padua no honam ni nyina obetimi de nkuto afra na nipa no wo de twini honam no eboa ntini no ema ntini ni nyane ema nipa no enchekura obetimi asori ayede anante ebio eyema enamu yare nunum eyadukese ema enamu yade afenso so se wo obi a wo hwenimu eta afri moja hata na enwo na hye kakra wo nya ejasram ayi jabidia na wasa nunum na haba na awo no na wo de aguja no mu na se nwusie ne sori a na wa punu nwusie no ebasa ebemasa hwenimu moja na aya na eta hawo no ni na bejai mamenka obi o se he abibiman yenuro ano odene se yenyadaje esua ye niema atwa ho ahia na yade bia ni ho a yentimi nsa me na meka kire wo enti ji nyankopon di na ji ne niema bi se no edi se onom sa yade ema obi na da se bibidu onye ye ewom se ye won krofo a omo de omunto ombo ase eye nwiemu se na yeye na emom no meka ne se ye wa aduefo papafo ewo ho te se me a megina he me to me bo eye nwiemu me na wo kase me kasa free se hwimam Obia, yen nam or mine munina, say ye mu, near the name we say about Bonte, no one. Ne Santino, me catch you say, a draw ever be mum. I am Stephen Garba, the plants ambassador. Okay? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Zerba-Ne TV. And when you do that, we will be able to give you more videos that will change your entire life. Okay? Healthy by nature is what we are promoting. Africa is the land that heals. It's a fact. Everything about Africa is wonderful. Our plants, our herbs, our trees, our soil, our climatic conditions, everything is perfect. It's left onto us to get closer to nature, do proper research, and take good care of our environment. And when we do that, we'll be strong as Africans. Thank you for watching this video. Like I said earlier, subscribe to Zerba-Ne TV, and any day, anytime, we'll drop a new one, and you have access to it. Till we meet on the other side, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye for now.